For some reason, my boy, country life doesn't suit me. And I'm sure I shall never get used to it. Last night, I went to bed at 10 and woke up in the morning feeling as if from oversleep my brain had stuck to my skull. And yet, I fell asleep again after dinner. And I feel terrible. It is a nightmare. Miss Masha! Will you kindly ask your father to unchain the dog? It howled so last night that my sister was unable to sleep. I foresee that the dog is going to howl all night again. It's always like this in the country. I've never been able to live as I like here. I come down for a month's holiday to rest and all. And I'm so plugged by their nonsense, so I want to get away after the first night. I've always been glad to get away from this place. But now I'm retired and it's the only place I had to come to. Willy-nilly, one must live somewhere. This is the tragedy of my existence. Even when I was young, I looked as if I were drunk. And all. Women never liked me. I once desired two things: to marry and to become an author. I've succeeded in neither. It must be pleasant to be even an insignificant author. Во Францию два гренадера. I was thinking that once when a fellow lawyer said to me, "You have a powerful voice, sir." And then he thought for a moment and added, "But it is a disagreeable one." A disagreeable one. This dog is going to howl all night again. Petrusha, when Nina should come?